I want to teach you how to calculate mode for distributed data, which are what? Grouped. So these data are grouped, right? You can see the grouping from 60 to 69, 70 to 79. These are groups. Okay, so to calculate mode, there is a standard formula to calculate mode. And that formula is given as the following. Times C. All right, so what this value represents is very simple. Now this LM stands for the lower class boundary of the mode, the modal class, or the class with the highest frequency, which is this class, right? 60 to 69, this weight here. So what is the lower class boundary is to look at the lower mass here and then take away 0.5 from it. So 60 minus 0.5. So we have 60 minus 0.5 will give you 59.5. That's our L1. Now, how do we get delta 1? Now, delta 1 means we should take the frequency with the highest value and subtract the value on in front of it. That's if you are arranging them this way. Let's take these three values, 6, 13, and 11. You discover that for D1, you have to say 30 minus 11, right? So you have 30 minus 11, and that gives you what? 30 minus 11, that gives you what? That gives you 2, right? Then we have delta 2. Delta 2 means you should take away, if you do 13 minus 6. And 13 minus 6 is going to give you what? 7. Okay, so these are our values. Then the next one, we're going to be looking for C. And C means the class width. What is the class width? The distance between this value and this value. So in statistics, you start counting from 60 to 69, and that gives you 10. Right. So if we want to calculate the mode, then we are going to apply this in the formula. So mode is going to give us this value, 59.5. Then we have plus. We have already looked for delta 1, and that value gives us what? 2. Then we have delta 1 here as well. So we have 2 plus delta 2 is 7. And then we are multiplying by the width, which is what? 10. Right? So we're going to be having 59.5 plus, this is 2 divided by 9 times 10. All right, so we're going to be having 59.5 plus 2 divided by 9. So let's work out 2 divided by 9. 2 divided by 9 is going to give you what? 0.222222. So we have 0.2222. When you multiply by 10, you're going to be having 59.5 plus, when you multiply this by 10, you're going to be having 2.222. So when you add it up to 59.5, you're going to be having this value plus 59.5. So you're going to be having this value 61.72. So the mode for this distribution is what? 61.72. All right, this is where we're going to hold it up for this. I'm going to be doing the next video, so watch out for the next part. And in that part, I'm going to be calculating what? The mean of this very distribution. So I'll catch you up in that video. Take care of yourself and bye.